Siddhartha Gautama, also known as Buddha, the enlightened or awakened one, was the spiritual leader and founder of Buddhism. Gautam Buddha was born in the royal family of Lumbini, Nepal in the 5th century BC. After several years of meditation and contemplation, he sat under a tree where he finally attained nirvana. He understood the role of everything from a speck of dust to the heavenly bodies. He realized the deeper truth of life and formed the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path to preach his findings through the newly formed religion of Buddhism. We have collected Gautam Buddha's quotes from his sermons and teachings, a collection of Gautam Buddha quotes and sayings on life, karma, happiness, death, religion, forgiveness, meditation, peace, mind, truth, spirituality, love. Today is Buddha Jayanti. So happy 2565th Buddha Jayanti to all of you who are listening to the best quotes of Gautam Buddha. You yourself, as much as nobody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. The secret of health for both mind and body is not to mourn for the past, nor to worry about the future, but to live the present moment wisely and earnestly. In the end, these things matter most. How well did you love? How fully did you live? How deeply did you let go? Peace comes from within. Don't seek it without. No one can save us but ourselves. No one can and no one may. We ourselves must walk the path. Three things can't hide for long: the moon, the sun, and the truth. Holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one who gets burned. Every morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. There is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. Your purpose in life is to find your purpose and give your whole heart and soul to it. Believe nothing, no matter where do you read it or who said it, no matter if I have said it, unless it agrees with your own reason and your own common sense. If you truly loved yourself, you could never hurt another. Pain is certain, suffering is optional. You won't be punished for your anger. You will be punished by your anger. Whatever a monk keeps pursuing with his thinking and pondering, that becomes the inclination of his awareness. If we could see the miracle of a single flower clearly, our whole life will change. Nothing can harm you as much as your own thoughts unguarded. Purity or impurity depends on oneself. No one can purify another. A generous heart, kind speech, and a life of service and compassion are the things which renew humanity.